The mobile design feature is used to optimize a form so that it's suitable for viewing on a mobile device. In this tutorial, we will take a quick tour of the mobile form wizard, which is opened the first time you open the mobile designer, or when you open the designer after a new object has been added to your form. The help page will be displayed first, provided that the Show at Startup checkbox has been checked. The first step in the wizard process is to create and name sections for each page of your form. Sections help organize objects and information into relevant groups for ease of design and ease of use on a phone or tablet. The next step is where you take your form objects and place them into the different sections. You will be able to position and reposition sections in your mobile form, and you will also be able to move objects around in the sections. Style settings for your mobile form can be managed from here too. Deciding on the number of columns in your mobile form is the next step. Forms viewed on a phone in portrait view will automatically be displayed in a single column, but in landscape mode or when viewed on a tablet, either 1 or 2 column mode can be used. And finally, the option to preview your mobile form in 1 or 2 column mode, and when viewed by different users at different stages of the workflow process. Each of the steps mentioned here will be covered in more detail in different tutorial videos.